Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the smooth slow motion not working on your CapCut. So I got the solution and I hope this will be helpful for you. First, you can just go back to your home screen and long press on the CapCut apps and click on the info until you see this app info of CapCut. Here, click on the storage and cache and clear the cache of the CapCut apps like this so that there will be hopefully there will be no bug in the CapCut apps and the CapCut slow motion will run smoothly. But if it's still not working, you can just clear the storage or clear the data of the CapCut, and then you can restart the CapCut app. You can re-log in and open your CapCut again. So that's all from me. That's how you can fix this smooth slow motion not working. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.